Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be this default one. And now just tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter bookmarks and history and enter history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to remove them, just tap on clear, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so confirm it. And as you can see here, we've got no history, which simply means that we just successfully removed all of saved websites. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.